equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Start by unplugging your Dyson V15 and removing the dustbin. This will give you clear access to the motor compartment. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the motor cover. There are typically 4 screws located around the perimeter of the cover. Once these screws are removed, gently lift the cover off, taking care not to damage any clips. With the cover removed, you will see the motor assembly. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris from the area. A clean workspace will help prevent any contamination during the motor replacement. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Now, locate the screws holding the motor in place. There are usually 2 screws that need to be removed. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew them. Once the screws are out, gently pull the motor out of its housing. Be cautious of any wires connected to the motor. You may need to disconnect them using your flathead screwdriver to pry off the connectors. After removing the old motor, take your new motor and align it with the housing. Ensure that the connectors are facing the correct direction for easy reconnect ion. Before securing the motor, it's wise to check that all components are clean and free from obstructions. Once you're satisfied, reconnect the wires to the new motor. Make sure they are firmly attached to avoid any issues later on. Now, place the motor back into its housing and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Tighten them gently but firmly to ensure the motor is held securely in place. Next, replace the motor cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws. Remember to check that all clips are engaged to prevent any rattling during operation. Finally, reattach the dustbin and plug your Dyson V15 back in. Before you start using it, it's a good idea to test the vacuum on a small area to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. We can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson V15. This process not only saves you money but also extends the life of your vacuum cleaner, keeping your home clean and tidy. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.